Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 gardening ideas that will transform your outdoor space. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, there's always something new to discover in the world of gardening. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a way to connect with nature, to nurture life, and to create something truly beautiful. Over the years, I've learned that the most successful gardens are those that embrace both practicality and creativity. So let's grab our tools, put on our gardening gloves, and explore these inspiring ideas that will help you create a garden that's not only productive, but also a joy to behold.
Let's start with an idea perfect for limited space vertical gardening. Turn unused walls and fences into thriving vertical gardens. Picture vibrant flowers tumbling down a trellis or a wall adorned with herbs and leafy greens. Vertical gardening adds drama and artistry to your garden. Imagine a living wall bursting with color and texture, transforming a dull corner into a captivating focal point. Vertical gardening is surprisingly versatile. Use structures like trellises and hanging baskets or elaborate living walls and tiered planters. Find what works best for your space and style. Grow vegetables, flowers, or a mix of both. Vertical gardening offers a unique garden reflecting your personality. Embrace the vertical dimension and think outside the traditional bed.
Container gardening offers incredible flexibility and control over your growing environment. Choose the perfect container for each plant, like terracotta pots for herbs, hanging baskets for cascading flowers, or repurposed wheelbarrows as planters. Move containers to follow the sun, create stunning displays on patios and balconies, or bring them indoors during harsh weather. Tailor the soil mix to each plant's needs, ensuring they thrive. It also reduces digging and weeding, making it ideal for older gardeners or those with limited mobility.
Now, let's talk about raised bed gardening, a technique that has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Imagine this: perfectly defined beds filled with rich, loose soil, where your vegetables grow strong and healthy, and weeds are kept at bay. One of the key advantages of raised beds is improved soil drainage. The elevated structure allows for better water runoff, preventing waterlogged roots and creating an ideal environment for plant growth. This is particularly beneficial in areas with heavy clay soil or poor drainage. Another benefit is easier access. With raised beds, you won't have to bend over as far, making gardening less strenuous on your back and knees. This is especially helpful for older gardeners or those with mobility issues. But it's not just about practicality. Raised beds can also add structure and visual interest to your garden.
Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of companion planting, a technique that has been practiced for centuries. It's all about creating harmonious relationships between different plant species, just as nature intended. The idea behind companion planting is that certain plants can benefit each other when planted together. For example, planting marigolds alongside your tomatoes can help deter pests, while growing basil near your peppers can enhance their flavor. But the benefits of companion planting extend far beyond pest control and flavor enhancement. Some companion plants can attract beneficial insects, improve soil fertility, and even provide shade for more delicate neighbors. It's like creating a mini ecosystem in your garden, where each plant plays a vital role in supporting the health and productivity of the others. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of nature and the wisdom of working in harmony with its rhythms.
Finally, let's explore the transformative power of water features in the garden. The gentle sound of trickling water, the shimmering reflections of light, and the sense of tranquility that water brings. It's truly magical. Imagine a small fountain tucked away in a corner, its gentle splashing creating a soothing melody. Or a pond with water lilies gracefully floating on the surface, attracting dragonflies and other wildlife. Water features don't have to be grand or elaborate to have a big impact. Even a simple bird bath can provide a vital source of water for birds and add a touch of charm to your garden. And let's not forget the therapeutic benefits of water. The sound of water has been proven to reduce stress and promote relaxation, making your garden a true sanctuary for the soul.
Thanks for watching. I hope these gardening ideas have inspired you to get out there and get your hands dirty. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning, experimenting, and most importantly, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a sunny windowsill, there's always room to create a little piece of paradise. So embrace the joy of gardening, connect with nature, and let your creativity bloom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and ideas. Happy gardening, happy.